the water, the sky, the earth. We live in harmony with nature. We follow the rhythm of the seasons. We respect its history. This has allowed us to create a unique oasis for our sturgeons at our fish farm close to Venice. This is the source of Caviar Giaveri's excellence. The region where our sturgeons are farmed is the real secret behind the superior quality of our caviar. It's a place which is rich in rivers and crystalline water from underground aquifers. We have more than 100 fish rearing tanks at our fish farm. We employ modern and sustainable aquaculture technologies. We use fresh, flowing water which returns to the environment naturally. Every day, our sturgeons are monitored by our team of experts. It takes a decade of close daily care and attention to raise a sturgeon from birth to maturity. Here at Caviar Giaveri, we raise 10 different species of sturgeon, such as beluga, osietra, and sevruga, which have disappeared from their natural habitat. We are the only ones in the world to breed and raise 3 particular species: the Persian osietra sturgeon, the beluga Siberian sturgeon, and the beluga Adriatic sturgeon. Our respect for traditional working methods ensures a product of very high quality. The lessons learnt from the traditional Russian and Iranian caviar preparation methods are complemented by the expertise of Italian gastronomy. A delicate salting is carried out using the traditional Russian malasol method, where only a small amount of salt is used. The caviar is hand-packaged in a sterile, controlled environment according to the very strict international rules. Our meticulous process has become a perpetual ritual to ensure that the consumer always enjoys the unique and unspoiled characteristics of our caviar, of our water, of our air. The meat from our sturgeon is prepared with the very same care and dedication. The sturgeon meat is frozen in a controlled environment or transformed into other high-end gourmet products for restaurants and gastronomy. Caviar Giaveri is famous worldwide for its unique taste. Our family has been working with the same passion for decades while respecting the environment and learning from nature. The secret to produce a unique caviar is our land, our water, our art, and our Italian essence. Giaveri art and Italian taste.